All right, so tell me, what do you guys think about the new colors for the CVO and the CVO ST for 2025? All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. It has been a while since I've gotten to go out for a ride. We finally got all the snow, all the salt off. It is still very, very cold here in New Jersey, but I am taking Sandstorm out for a quick spin. I've got the drone with me. I'm going to launch it up, give you a nice traditional Fly and Ride episode today, and talk about that thumbnail that you just saw. My two favorite models for 2025, and I continue to still think about, am I going to get the new ones or am I staying with this one? Let's talk about it. Oh, we got some low tire pressure. Let's see details. 31, 34. We should be fine. It's been a while since we've ridden it. Quick update since my last video. If you haven't seen it, go check that out. Finding neutral. I installed I installed this piece right here, and then I'm still continuing to test it. It definitely finds neutral faster. A lot of you were giving me a lot of feedback. One of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to change the springs back from this plate to the stock springs, because that's when I noticed the difference. And then the other thing I did is I changed the position of the shifter. And I think one of the subscribers said, hey, it's too high. So I changed it, and I'm going to test that out now on this ride as well. So, got my nice Indy Ridge gloves, Indy Ridge boots, Beyond Rider's jacket. And it feels good to be out here. There you go, finding neutral, no problem. So that part definitely improved it, and I changed the position of the shifter. All right, so tell me, what do you guys think about the new colors for the CVO and the CVO ST for 2025? And I gotta tell you, the two that you saw there in the thumbnail, those are my favorite. And before I start talking about it, let me show you some nice footage. And if you haven't seen it, Matt Laidlaw, who's got a dealer out there west, awesome channel, awesome dealership, awesome guy, did a video, and it featured the two favorite color schemes that I like for the bike. So I'm going to switch to some of that footage now. Starting out with this blue one that you see right here, and again, I don't remember the names of the colors. I'm going to leave it up here. You'll see it. But this color, and by the way, one caveat: I have not seen these colors in person. I hope to get out to the dealers soon. But oh man, look at all those deer. But this Road Glide in this blue, black, slight red combination, man, it is just absolutely beautiful. And I personally don't like chrome on my motorcycles. You can tell on this one I don't have any chrome, but I have to admit, with this color combo, this chrome just looks amazing. This of course is the CVO, not the ST. It comes with a 21 variable. It comes with the 21 VVT. And another deer down. They must be pretty active in this area. So I absolutely love this color, and this is one of the colors that I am absolutely considering. Again, it'll be important that I go check this out in person. So this is my favorite color for at least the Road Glide. Now let's switch over now to this really cool fade color on this street light. And again, I don't remember the names off the top of my head, but you'll see it here on the screen. And let me tell you, I just think this this looks absolutely amazing. It reminds me of a prior CVO color. I think it was called Mako Blue or something like that, and it was kind of a blue that faded, very similar to this grayish and silver fade that you see here on this street light. And man, I just think this looks absolutely sharp. And you know, ironically, the colors that I liked this year, the only two, which is what you saw there in the thumbnail, come on the CVO. They don't come on the CVO ST. I personally don't like what they did with the black CVO ST version. I realize the black paint is not the same. It's a different version of a black paint. But, you know, it's almost like they threw these designs on there, and to me, it just doesn't flow well with the eagle on the side. And again, I realize that's personal preference. Nice, finding neutral, no problem. I realize that's personal preference, but I just don't like those additional sort of boxes and designs. Some of you may. Again, leave it down in the comments below. And I wasn't crazy about last year's CVO ST colors personally, because that's why I never got the new ones. So definitely the CVO ST color combinations are not for me, but I am really thinking about these two options that I just showed, that blue one and that grayish silver one, the fade. And I can't wait to go to a dealer and go check that out up close and personal. Mr. Holy Shift, as a matter of fact, and John, I think, went recently and saw that, the one that I liked in person. He said that it seems really busy, too many colors, and it seems overwhelming. Again, that's all about style and preference, so what may seem overwhelming to him may be just fine for me, but he got a chance to see it. He had a chance to see it, and those were his initial impressions. So, I'd love to hear from you. First of all, has anyone purchased any of these new models, any of these new colors? Again, leave it down in the comments below. And if you haven't, are you considering it? Which one are you considering it? What do you think about my two favorite colors for 2025? And is it enough for me to finally turn in Sandstorm and get one of the new models? We're just gonna have to wait and see. But look, overall, I think they did a nice job with these colors. You know, lots of opinions out there on, you know, the changes to the new bikes. And look, in my personal opinion, they just came out with these bikes last year. I was not expecting any dramatic changes or any, you know, changes to any of the design, the style, engine of the bikes. But certainly I was looking forward to the paints. In my opinion, in terms of paint schemes and paint jobs, look, I think out of all the manufacturers out there, I think Harley does it the best. I mean, hands down, the quality, the craftsmanship. I just like the way that they do it the most. Again, personal opinion, I get it. So yeah, look, that's it. Those are my initial thoughts. I wanted to just come out here and enjoy this ride, give you an update on this neutral piece. To whoever that subscriber was that suggested that I change the position of the shifter, I did. It feels like it works better. I haven't missed neutral yet once. I'm going to continue to put some miles on it, and then I'll come back and give you a full review here on the channel in a future video. I was hoping it was going to be, you know, sunnier here, and I was going to catch a nice sunset. But super cloudy, super the drone here, and but before I do, I'm going to change the point of view on the drone. So this drone has a lot of functionality. You know, one is to give you super smooth cinematic footage. The other option I have is to change it to what's called FPV mode, which is the same as these other drones that you have to use the goggles for. Again, they're called FPV drones. This has my drone, which is the Mavic 2 Pro, or is it Mavic 3 Pro? I can't remember. I think it's the Mavic 3, the latest one. Has that FPV function, and I don't think I've ever shown you a video using that FPV mode. So let's go there now. So there you have it. It's been a while since I've shown you a nice fly and ride episode. I think that FPV mode looks pretty cool. Let me know if you like it. I can do more videos like that in the future. And hopefully following the bikes at some point. I'm gonna enjoy this nice chilly ride back home. So it is the beginning of February for us, and I am hoping it starts to warm up, and riding season is almost here. Found neutral, nice and easy. Nice, where they all belong. Check out these Condor wheel chokes, best in the business. I'll leave links down in the description below if you want to check that out. Cool thing about these is you can take them off, put them back there, put them anywhere, put the bike wherever you want. Bike stands up nice and straight. Man, it feels good to finally get out there and get a ride in. Best gear in the business. Links down in the description below. I've got my Beyond Riders red jacket here. I've got the black one on now. Absolutely love it. Thanks for watching.